Hey guys, get ready for a screencast chock full of GravityForms configuration and Elementor goodness. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. So we've got a nice little PTA website right here. And here's the first thing we want to do. We have these buttons to click here and we want to be able to register. And so my client, or my colleague actually, has set up a GravityForms page that is for membership registration. We're going to click and go to that page. And so by default, here's what that page looks like. Here's your membership registration page. And you need to select the membership level right here. You see how you can select the different ones. But what about our home page right here? You notice we want to click here. And we don't want to have to make the user select. Like if they want to be silver and they click here, we don't want to have to make them come on here and actually select it. We want this to be pre-selected. How can we make that happen? Well, let me show you how I've got this form set up. Watch. So I'm going to, let's say for example, I want to go biggie. I want to go gold. And so I'm going to click here and we're going to go to that page. Check it out. See how gold is selected? There's our total. We can go ahead and enter our card details. We are registered. We are supporting the PTA. How did I do that? Well, check this out. I'm using a query string variable. I've got type equals gold. It's matching the name of the value in here and it's going to select it on the form for us. And that's what I've done for all of these pages. Let's go back and we can just check it out. So like maybe we just want to do standard. Yeah, at least we're joining, we're supporting. There we go. Let's click on standard. We've got type equals standard and type equals standard is selected right here. Let's go back into GravityForms and show you how we've got this thing configured. So we'll go to our form and here's our membership form right here. What we've done right here is I've just gone ahead and let me move myself right over here. I'll move me right over here. I've got this membership field. And so this is actually a product. It's a product that I've brought in over here from GravityForms. I put in all of my different membership levels. Now here's the special secret sauce. You go to the Advanced tab and you're going to allow this field to be populated dynamically. If it's going to be populated dynamically, that means that we can set the field from the URL of the page. That's one example of how to do some dynamic population. In this case, I'm going to say, I want to have a parameter name of type. If I set type equal to something and it matches one of these values right here, it's going to set that field value. And so that's what I've done right here, type. And you see, if we go back to the home page, now that we've got this set up, that's how it works. Go back here and move me over here to the corner. And now let's be a bronze member. It's going to say type equals bronze and type equals bronze is selected right here. The beauty of this is you're able to pre-select this field using that dynamic population. So we've shown you how to do that. Now I've got a bonus for you. Let me show you something else going on this page. Wouldn't it be nice if we had all of these guys, this click here, what if they are aligned? Let me show you what I've done over on my website. Notice I've got this registration form. Here's the same types of gravity field pricing table. And notice how I've got my registration buttons all aligned. You can do that with some CSS, and I'm going to do that with you. Here we do. I'm going to just grab it and stick it right here. And you see, I've got some CSS. This is the special Elementor selector thing. If you type selector, it's going to directly address the widget. And so we're addressing the widget. And then I looked up, if I set my widget container and my price table to have a height of 100%, and then I do some other special things, just look at that right there. You might want to copy that CSS. I should post it somewhere for you, but right now as you're looking on the video, pause it, copy that out. Now, if we're going to go back over here, and I'm going to edit this page in Elementor, let's see if we can get these things to align properly. Everything the same height, looking nice and neat. So here's what we do. We select the pricing table widget. We're going to go over here to Advanced, and we're going to add in our custom CSS. Oh, magic. See that magic right there? See that Elementor Advanced CSS goodness? Check it out. We are aligning, and we can add this to each one. That way, if we change things on any of them, regardless, they're all going to match the height of the column. And so let's go over here and put some more, paste in our CSS, paste this in right here. Boom, aligned. Looks neat, huh? And the beauty of this is you got them all aligned. They're going to look nice. If you want, like if you check this thing out on mobile, like we could add a media query so that you turn this off on mobile. But like, actually, let's see what it does if we check it on mobile. I know the client's still working on their mobile view and stuff. Oh yeah, look at it. Yeah, it works. Yeah, it's automatically going to compress. I forget. You don't even have to add a media query because of just how this thing is working. They compress properly. You don't have like a long box when you don't need one. It's just when you're on desktop or tablet view, depending on how you got it set up, they're going to always equal out. So what have we learned on this screencast? We've learned to dynamically set field values in a Gravity form. Then I've given you a little bit of bonus CSS to make these columns align properly. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've learned something. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.